Hey everyone, I'm Corrin with Corrin Fox Fit. Today I'll be leading you through a 10-minute leg and booty workout for beginners. This is a perfect workout to do if you're just getting into fitness or if you simply want to add some more movement into your day to help you feel good. There'll be a total of 7 exercises. Each exercise we'll do for 30 seconds on and 15 seconds off. We'll do 2 full circuits. However, if you want to add in that third circuit, you can always go back to the beginning of the video and finish that third circuit. All you'll need for today's workout is really just a mat beneath you. You won't need any equipment. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first exercise will be just regular squats. So we want to start with our feet hip distance apart. And as we sit back, we want our knees to be stacked over the ankles. We're going to pretend kind of like we're sitting back in a chair. You can bring your hands together. We're going to squat back and then press up. If it's a little easier for you, you can always grab a chair and bring a chair behind you. You can tap back to the chair or even sit all the way down and then stand back up if that's easier. Just an option. So here we go. Regular squats. Ready, set, and go. Down and up. Down and up. Make sure you're really pressing down through both feet. And as you press back up, press up through the heels. Shoulders away from ears. Really draw those hips back and then press up. Keep the core nice and tight. So draw that belly button in and back towards the spine. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. A little bit of a rest here, 15 seconds. Next, we're going to come down to tabletop on our hands and knees, shoulders stacked over the wrists and hips stacked over the knees. We're going to do fire hydrants, one side and then the other. We're going to draw the knee out and in, out and in. So we're really working our glutes. Here we go. Ready, set, and go. Just one side. Draw that belly button in and up towards the spine. Working that core a little bit here. Keep the neck nice and soft. Gaze is forward and slightly down. We're really just moving that right knee out and in, out and in. Fire hydrants, or also known as knee abductors. 3, 2, and 1. Really nice job, guys. You can sit back, take a 15-second rest. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Really happy that you're here. Sometimes the hardest part is just showing up for yourself. So you're here and I'm proud of you. All right, you guys, here we go. Other side. 3, 2, 1, and go. So knee lifts up, comes out, and then down. Out, and then down. Really working that glute, targeting that. Breathe. Make sure not to hold the breath. You got this. Keep going. Maybe you feel the burn a little bit already. 3, 2, and 1. You can sit on back. A little bit of a rest. Really nice job, you guys. Next, we're going to come back to our hands and knees just like we were. This time we're doing something called donkey kicks. So instead of drawing our knee out to the side, we're going to draw our foot up, our heel up towards the ceiling. So just starting with one leg. So I'm starting with my right leg, my right foot. We're really pressing our foot up towards the ceiling. So get ready, get set, and go. Neck is long, gaze is forward, slightly down. Press into the top of that left foot and then really press up through that right heel. So we're targeting again that right glute. You guys are doing amazing. Keep going. Press up, draw it down. Press up, draw it down. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. And we're doing the other side in just a second here. Same thing, other side, really targeting each side, each glute. So by the end of this, you should feel a nice little burn in the booty and the legs. All right, you guys, come back to that tabletop. Ready and go. Other side, kick the heel up to the ceiling, up and up. If you tend to have sensitive knees, you can always roll up the mat, get a little bit more padding, or place a blanket or towel under the knees as you do this. Good job, you guys. Really nice. Next exercise, we're going to come down to the back. Almost there. Keep kicking up. 3, 2, and 1. Good job with those. Come on down to your back, and we're going to do hip lifts. So knees will be bent, feet hip distance apart. We're going to roll the shoulders down and under. You can even grab onto the edges of the mat. We're going to press up through the feet and toes and lift the hips up towards the ceiling and come down, hover down so the butt does not touch the mat. Get ready, get set, and go. So lift the hips up and then down. Hover the bum off the ground. Up and then down. Make sure those knees stay pointed straight ahead, stacked over the ankles. Make sure the knees don't splay out. Good. Squeeze the glutes on the way up. Release down. Squeeze and release. Good, you guys. You're doing amazing. 3, 2, and 1. Good. And slowly from here, we're going to stand on up. This is going to be our last exercise in our first circuit. So we're going to go into curtsy lunges. So hands come in front. You're going to step out wide and then step across diagonally with the other foot and down. Kind of like you're curtsying mixed with a lunge. Hence the name. Okay, so here we go. Get ready, get set, and go. So we're stepping out wide and across, wide and across. Kind of like you're curtsying, going into a little lunge, back and forth. Really nice job, you guys. You're doing amazing. You got this. Breathe through it. We have 3, 2, and 1. All right. 15 seconds rest. That was the first full circuit. We're going to go into our final circuit. And remember, you can always add on a third one if you want. Totally optional. We're going to get ready for those squats again. So feet hip distance apart. As we squat, we're going to press the hips back as we come down. Get ready, get set, and go. Squat, press up, squat. Really press those hips back. Bend into the knees. Make sure the knees don't come forward too much over the ankles. We want the knees to be stacked over the ankles. Good, you guys. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. That was awesome. Come on down to your hands and knees into a tabletop. We're going to get ready for those fire hydrants or knee abductor raises on that right side or first side. Here we go. Get ready, get set, and go. Good. Breathe. You guys are doing amazing. I'm proud that you're here. When we move our bodies, we tend to feel better mentally and physically. Good, you guys, keep going. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Get ready for that other side. Are you feeling a burn a little bit? Make sure to stretch out after this workout, especially if you have a foam roller. Roll the glutes, roll the hamstrings, the quads. Here we go. Other side. Come onto your hands and knees. If you had rested, ready, and go. Lift that knee as high as you can to the side. You got it. I believe in you. Woo. Good. Almost there, you guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Really good job, you guys. So next we're moving into those donkey kicks. Pressing that heel up towards the ceiling. We're isolating that right glute, or the glutes one at a time. So here we go. Find your tabletop, get ready, get set, and go. Press the heel up and down, up and down. Really nice job, you guys. We're moving our bodies, choosing to do something so kind for our mind and bodies. Taking care of our bodies, nourishing them, taking time out for ourselves so we can care for others, have more patience. 3, 2, and 1. We rest. Good. You guys are doing amazing. Keep it up. We're almost through the second circuit and final circuit. So here we go. Other side. Donkey kicks. 3, 2, and 1. Go. Kick that heel. Get it up. Up, up, up. Good. Press down through the top of that other foot. Draw that belly button in and up towards the spine. Good, you guys. Awesome. We're almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Rest and come all the way down to your back. Let's get ready for those hip lifts. Feet hip distance apart. Low back presses into the mat to begin. Knees stay stacked over the ankles. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Come into those hip lifts. Up and hover down. Up and hover down. Good. Really nice job, you guys. Hang in there. We have one more exercise after this, going into those curtsy lunges. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Really nice job, you guys. All right, slowly make your way up to standing. And we're gonna do one more round of curtsy lunges, and then we're done. You guys are amazing. Hang in there. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Step and curtsy. Step out and curtsy. The back foot comes across diagonally, bending into that front knee, making sure that front knee is still stacked over the ankle. We're working our glutes, our quads. Really nice job, you guys. You got it. Keep going. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. So good, you guys. Virtual high five. Yes. Virtual high five. I'm so proud of you guys. I hope you enjoyed this 10-minute leg and booty workout. Again, if you want, you can start this video over and do 1 or 2 more circuits of these if you want. But I'm so proud of you for what you did today. Thank you for being here. Please comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Take care, drink water, stay hydrated, and I will see you soon. Bye.